Ayan, good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, pupunta kami ngayon sa Kunosan. Isa siya sa mga shrine dito sa kanilang malapit. So, ayun, pag may mga bisita sila, dinadala daw nila doon. Bibinyagan. So, ayun, sawahan niyo ko guys. And, update ko kayo later. So, dito guys, hindi daw pwedeng hindi nakamask. So, ayan, nakamask ako. Dahil tumataas ang case dito sa kanila. So, ayun. See you later guys! So, yun.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Wala pa guys, 1/4 yung naaakyat ko. Ito pa lang. Try ko. Ayan, dito na. Start na yung steps. Hindi ko na siya bibilangin. Alam ko hindi ko matatapos magdala. Hindi pa siya matarik. Sakto lang. Na, ayan. Yan yung unang steps ata na medyo patag, kaya pwede mag-picture-picture. So, ayan. Ano siya? Si Yuki. So, ayun, napagod ang mga person. Kailangan na naman ng mga pahinga. Ayan. So, upo-upo muna. Picture ulit. Grabe ang haba pa, guys. Ang akitin. Ayan, guys. Di pa rin kami tapos. Pero, grabe ang ganda dito. Kita mo na yung dagat. Ang ganda ng view. Worth it, oh. Ang ganda. So, ayan guys, to make it short, nakaakyat na nga kami dun sa taas. Pero hindi ko na guys nakuhaan dyan yung mga shrine kasi na-amaze ako. Nalimutan ko na mag-video. So, ayan. Ayan na siya. Malapit na siya sa mga shrine actually dyan. Ano yan?
Kung anong ano mo, fortune mo.
Ah. Magkano yung hulog? Magkano yung hulog? So, ayan guys, parang magdo-donation ka dyan and may kukunin kang papel dyan. Parang nagsasabi siya kung ano yung fortune mo, kung anong mga mangyayari, parang ganun. It's up to you kung paniniwalaan mo. Pero lahat naman sinasabi dyan, parang good thing lang. So, ayun. So, ayun guys, yung kulay orange na yan, pag pumasok ka daw dyan, parang binibless ka. Tapos, bawal ka dyan, dumaan pabalik. So, lalabas ka doon sa kabilang. Yun. So, ayun guys, tapos na kami sa taas, bababa naman kami.